What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Rad and Dad channel video, or welcome if it's your first time. Either way, very glad to have you. We are finally taking the stock exhaust off of this 25 Road Glide and putting on a brand new Moto Jackpot RTX Riot. But before we start talking about it and getting into it and taking stuff off and putting stuff on, we got to roll that beautiful, beautiful music we all come to love. That intro.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a
All right, so a couple things to note before. One, I already took the heat shields off of the headers. Two reasons. One, makes it easier, and two, one of the front header bolts I literally could not take off without it. So I couldn't get the bolt on. I kind of test fit it before I started the video to not waste my own time. So you will need to at least move them down. I just took them off because I know this exhaust is going to be trash after. Every time I keep exhausts, I keep them for like 4 or 5 years. Never wind up doing anything with it, and I'm too lazy to put them back on before I trade in the bike and 5, 6, 7 years down the line. So not doing it anymore. This is going straight in the trash right after I take it off today. So some exhausts you may have to, some exhausts you do not. This exhaust specifically, I know you do. It comes with the adapters. You are going to have to remove the right side foot controls, just the floorboard. It comes with the adapters. Like I said, you don't have to buy anything extra. So we are going to have to take this off. You'll see. I did already take the bags off, and I took the right side cover off because the O2 sensor plugs in there. So we're going to clip those zip ties, unplug it. That way when we take the exhaust off, we'll be able to unscrew it and it's not going to get super tangled up and everything. The front we'll have to deal with when we take this off, and it's kind of hidden in there, so I can't really see what routing the wiring takes, but that's it. So yeah, we're going to remove this. We're going to, well, you already saw what I did there. Unplug the O2 sensors, undo the headers. We're going to separate this side from the connecting tube over to that exhaust, the muffler on that side, and then we're going to take that muffler and everything off as well. This one we're just going to leave on because we're dropping this whole piece, so as long as we can do it easily, we're just going to keep it on because it's going to save some time. The new exhaust, like I said, I got it, or well, like I said, you know what it is, but I got it in stainless. It comes with all the hardware. It actually comes with its own gaskets, which is nice. A lot of exhaust manufacturers for Harleys specifically just don't include these, and you have to buy them. So they come with them. These are flat, so we are going to have to remove, obviously, the stock ones. It comes with, like I said, the spacers already, the bolts and everything. It comes with everything ready to go, including the O2 adapter sets, some bolts, some lock washers, a clamp, and everything else. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take this off and install this new shiny 2-in-1 exhaust. All right, once we got the old exhaust off, it's time to install the O2 sensors and the exhaust flanges on the new exhaust, and I apologize for not showing that takeoff on the old exhaust. I thought I was recording and I just found out that I wasn't. And quite honestly, it's a relatively simple task, and you're basically gonna do the exact reverse of what I'm doing right now on camera, so I didn't feel the need to kill myself putting them back on and then, you know, just to take them back off and waste everybody's time. So make sure you remember which is front and back. Your front should have a longer wire, so it should be very easy to tell. On this specific exhaust, it has two different bungs for the O2. Let me make sure I get it in frame. For the O2 sensors, you see a bigger one and a smaller one here. The stock doesn't really fit in the big, but it does fit in the small. So you're going to use the included adapters, these the bigger ones obviously, and just plug that up. Looks like it's gonna be an Allen. We'll figure out what size it is in a second, but I will say make sure you use anti-seize for all exhaust stuff. You're gonna put a little bit of a coating on the header bolts. We're gonna put a little bit of a coating on the threads for the O2 sensors. We're gonna put a little bit of the coating on the collector where the exhaust canister fits in there. And we're gonna put a little bit on, just a very, very small amount on the screw that goes back into this support bracket, only because that's gonna get hot because it's touching. So just a little bit goes a long way.
Ladies and gentlemen, step right up for another amazing bang of my legs blazing Daddy Paul. Touchdown to Heathrow, DP and me, bro. About to hit the club and turn the shoot to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geek, yo. Need to get girl with an extremely deep. See six midgets that be fighting, juggling. Maybe it's just me, cause my mind is struggling. Babes, boyfriend is acting like a clown. Know what's going down every time that we are down. Take a look through the peephole, yo. Everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show. To a freak show. Eating rotten apples, dirty bass that be coming at you. Roller coasters like a supernova. I'm the ringmaster, this my tabernacle. See you screaming, I'm like, what for? Oh, you pop? Yeah, I got popcorn. I been wake up on the wrong lawn, so we won't stop. It's a lost cause. Take a look through the peephole, yo. Everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them neeks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show. To a freak show.
It's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right? I'm not only there at night. You seem a little nervous in your head. It's like a creepy circus. Are you ready for the show? Now tell me, where did all your courage go? I'm back. Boo. I control you, just as in a game. But don't try to fight me back. You can't break me. Try it, and you shall see. I'm back. Boo. You are unprepared. I would swear you are.
All right, so obviously the exhaust is done. Something else to know, I just gotta say, I'm not loving the way that this support clamp looks. It looks very out of place. I think a gloss black, even a gloss chrome or a stainless would have looked better. I wish, honestly, I could use the stock one that the Harley has, because it's like a brushed kind of stainlessy looking piece, but they're not the same diameter. As far as sound, it's honestly not as loud as I thought it would be. That might improve a little bit once I put a much less restrictive air cleaner on, which I have in a box behind me. It's a video coming up soon. So that will hopefully improve. It's got a really good tone. It might open up once it kind of gets broken in. Remember to clean up the exhaust after you are done installing it, prior to turning it on for the first time, turning the bike on for the first time. All the oils from install, grease from install, and oils from your hands and stuff will leave prints on the exhaust. Now with the stainless, it's a little bit easier to upkeep, but still, why have to force yourself to clean something that you literally just put on the bike? So just clean it off with like a Windex or a streak-free, alcohol or a wipe or whatever. I use Chemical Guys. It's a streak-free window cleaner, but a window cleaner works really well. There's some other stuff that works good, but that works really well as far as taking off your oils and leaving a good finish. I did heat cycle it only once for like 4 or 5 minutes, and it's already, as you can kind of see on camera, it's already turning a kind of brushed bronzish or whatever, which is nice. Again, it doesn't necessarily match this bike color scheme wise, but black exhausts are way too hard to upkeep, and it's just not worth it. And I think stainless steel is definitely the performance oriented, like a brushed stainless that's performance oriented style, which is what I like. So yeah, I think it looks good. I'm excited to break it in, put some miles on it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, thumbs up this video. I appreciate it very much. It's been a hell of a weekend. I got parts to my MT07 all around because I'm doing something with that, and currently I need a new fuel pump, which is crazy, but that's a story for a different video. But 1,000 miles into that bike ownership and I already need a new fuel pump. No problem with Yamaha. 30% problem with me and 70% problem with another company. But again, story for a different video. So I got that in pieces. I got a toilet in a box for my camper that doesn't fit. I got plumbing issues that I've been dealing with for the past 2 days, trying not to spend several $100s on a friggin' plumber. So yeah, it's been a bittersweet weekend. Some stuff fixed, some stuff not, but at least I got the exhaust on the bike, and other videos, like I said, to come with other performance parts. So thumbs up, like, subscribe, everything. All the build series playlists are in the description, and it's always so hard for me to say. So check them out. A whole video devoted to this bike. Actually, depending on when you're watching this, there'll be a full, what Harley calls Stage 1 playlist for this bike as well. That way you can go there and kind of see air cleaner, exhaust, tune, kind of what Harley calls their Stage 1. But yeah, so now I gave up what my my plans are for the bike. But anyway, thank you guys very much for watching, and until the next time, ride safe, have fun. Dad, out.